message is transmitted at the request of emergency management of the City of Atlanta. Refuse workers have begun rioting in the City of Atlanta. They have been observed to be throwing garbage at people on the streets, as well as at windows of homes and buildings. Initial reports are that these objects are very heavy, and possibly on fire. Anyone that sees a trash collection truck on the road is encouraged to get away and seek shelter immediately. The best place to seek refuge is behind a building, away from main roads. Alternatively, get inside a structure and stay away from exterior windows. Police are currently working on settling this situation. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.